Here is how you achieve the carved text effect in PowerPoint. First, go to pixabay.com, search for wooden texture, download the texture and insert that as slide background. Then pick up the text box tool and then write your text here. Then increase the font size substantially. Then place it in the center and choose a font type which is handwritten. In this case, I'm going to use the font type called Pacifico. Then while selecting the text, go to shape format, go to text fill and pick up one of the colors for the text fill from the wooden texture. You do that by going to eyedropper and choosing a dark color like so. Then go to text outline, go to eyedropper and once again pick a dark color and increase the weight of the outline like so. Then go to text effects, go to shadow and choose inner, and the option we want here is on the top right, which is inner top right. Now you have a carved text effect you can use on your titles and also on the section headers. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to our presentation process YouTube channel.